And YouTube's just brought a game-changing update, now multiple channel names in one video. This collaboration feature can grow your channel at rocket speed, but is there a downside to it? Let's find out. Let's get to the good points first. 1. Massive reach. Your video will also go to your collaborator's subscription feed. That means you'll get thousands of new viewers in an instant. This is a golden chance for small channels. Rapid growth. Their channel name and subscribe button will be directly on the video. As a result, getting new subscribers is now easier. 3. Equal credit. Views, likes, comments, everything will count for all collaborators. No more worrying about who got how many views. Forward. Time saver. No more hassle of uploading the same video over and over again. Bad challenging points. Now let's come to some challenges or bad points that you need to keep in mind. Of course, like the video and stay by its side. Whose revenue? The revenue or income of the video will remain with the owner or uploader of the video for now. You will have to talk to the collaborator separately about sharing the money. YouTube will not share it on its own. 2. Audience. Similarity. If your collaborator's topic or audience is completely different from yours, your new subscribers may not be active. 3. Lack of control. Review carefully before approving the collaboration. Only the uploader has ultimate control over the video. So, the bottom line is, this feature is great for your growth. However, be careful about revenue sharing and choosing the right collaborators. Collaborate with people in your niche. And, watch the growth. Have you used this feature? Share your experience in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more such updates.